look at this question. This is on calculus. So I'm looking at the differentiation. We have the sum and the difference in the sum and difference function. So this is question on differentiation. This was invented by a man called Isaac Newton. In his early years, they were not able to calculate the orbits of the planet around the sun easily. So he invented a method called calculus. This is a branch of mathematics. So now we're going to look at the sum and the difference in this function. Now, given that y equals to 2x squared cubed minus 3x raised to power 1 or 3x plus 4, find dy over ds. So I told you in our last class that we have to work on this differently. Like this now, what we're going to do is we multiply the power of x, with this, multiply this by this, then reduce the power by 1. So we're going to have, for a, for dy over ds, look for dy over ds, we're going to have, we do the first one first, which will give us 3 times 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 3, all raised to power x, x raised to power 3 minus 1. Reduce the power by 1. The same thing we'll do here. 3x raised to power 1 will be 3 times 1, x raised to power 1 minus 1. This 4 is constant, so it's going to be 0. So what we're going to have, we are going to have dy over dx is equals to 6x, 3 minus 1 will give you 2, minus 3 times 1 will give you 3. So 1 raised to power 1 will give you 3x raised to power 0. So 3x raised to power 0 in mathematics means 1. So you're going to have dy over ds is equals to 6x squared minus this raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So this is the final answer. Now, the gradient of the curve at the point 2 and 14. So how do we solve that question? If you are given to solve for the gradient of the point of the curve at the point 2 and 14, because we are not drawing a graph, to solve that, we just say dy over ds. We are using 2, we are substituting with 2, which will give us 6 times x will be 2. I will substitute our x by 2. So that will be times 2 raised to power 4 minus 3. So this will give us 6 times 2 raised to power 2. Sorry, this 2 raised to power 2. 6 times 2 raised to power 2, which will give us 6 times 4. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 minus 3. This will give us 24 minus 3, which is going to give us 21. So we stop there. Thank you.